how to choose the templates for your Airtable base. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can choose a template for your Airtable base. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will be brought to the home page here, where you can see the Airtable logo by the top left corner. You can see start from scratch. You can see quickly upload. You can see start template. So that is our focus. Just go ahead and click on start template. So after clicking on start templates, you can see the four categories of templates available. You can see user feedback, customer satisfaction, employee onboarding, simple project tracker. Then you can also click on explore one template if the template you are looking for does not fall into any of this category. But for this tutorial, I will make use of simple project tracker. So once you click on it, the page will load and then you will be taken to a base, a template of an Airtable base that you can customize to suit you. Okay, so now that the page is there, you can see the simple project tracker base. Yeah, this is the template, and then since the template has been found, next step is to customize it. Now you can customize this first of all by changing the view, from all projects to planning phase. Okay, whichever one that you want to use, and then you can also create new views. You can create a calendar views, you can create a gallery, Kaban, or a list view by clicking on the plus icon. And actually, on the clicking on the plus icon, click list, and then click enter, and then just like that, another view would be created. So using this view, you can arrange your simple project tracker table the way you want it by adding new record. You can decide to add new record to the ones available already, or you can just go back to your project. By the time you're back to your project view, you can just edit this. After highlighting it this way, you can just highlight it and then change it. For example, maybe you are trying to create a campaign. So you can just change this to research first. Okay. Research. And then you can do the same for others, and then just continue that way. Then you can also change the color. You can just use this, but this is the format that you have, and then you can now edit it and change it the way you want. So this is basically how to do it. This is how you can use, or you can choose a template for your Airtable page. Thanks for watching and have a good day.